This bird fights like Jackie Chan. I'm not even kidding. It's called the secretary bird and it hunts venomous snakes. Here's the crazy part. One bite from the snakes it hunts could kill it too. So instead of rushing in, it plays it smart. It spreads its wings wide, making itself look like an easy target. The instant the snake commits, bam! The bird delivers a lightning-fast kick with up to 5 times its own body weight behind it, and it all happens in just 15 milliseconds, faster than you can blink. If the snake's still moving, it just kicks it again and again. Jackie Chan energy, but it's a bird.